Everyone, my name is Charan sir. I'm from SP Robotics. I have successfully completed my electro blocks. My project name is Door Security Alarm. Let me show you how my project works. When someone tries to enter the house, the buzzer triggers. The IR sensor senses it and buzzer triggers. I use 3 LEDs, one IR sensor, one buzzer, power supply board, power bank, USB, cardboard, glue, tape, paper, and scissor. I fixed IR sensor next to the door. When someone comes near, the buzzer triggers. This door security alarm can be used if there is any kids in your house and trying to open the door and go out, or for your own security. Thank you.